Yan! Sino ba mga fans ng BTS dyan? Sigurado akong matutuwa kayo sa ating recipe for today kasi inspired, of course, by the BTS. Pero hindi lang mga armies yan ang matutuwa, pati mga nanay. Kasi kakaibang BTS yung gagawin natin. Napaka-healthy. Kasi ito ay broccoli, tofu, and shrimp. Diba?
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha, ha. Luto na, ha, ha.
Yan. Pero of course, yung sauce natin, babagayan natin sa mga mahilig sa K-pop. Gagawin natin Korean-inspired yung ating sauce. So, sisimulan natin yung ating, yung broccoli ko. So, you have to separate the florets. Yan, ganda, no? Break it apart. And meron akong water dito na pinapakuluan kasi iba-blanch natin siya. I'm sure a lot of you love broccoli. Pati mga bata gusto yung broccoli kasi napaka-neutral ng kanya flavor. And also, ang ganda ng crunch if you cook it right, no? So, it's important you don't overcook your broccoli. Eto siya kasi medyo maliit lang yung stem ng ating broccoli today. Usually, nakakain yung laman niya, yung core niya. What you have to do is just to peel off the hard part, yung medyo very woody yung texture. Yan, so, remove that. Add salt. No? Ito, very simple, but you have to add salt. Good amount of salt for my flavor. I think malit lang yung pot ko, pero good enough. Sige, pagtsagaan natin. So, we cook that until the color comes out. And I will work on my tofu. Yung ginagawa ko sa aking tofu, I'm using firm tofu. Tingnan mo. And I just press it down para matanggal yung excess water niya. I don't want it to be very wet. Kasi if it's wet, matagal siya mag-crisp up. Malalaman mo siya if you smell it. Medyo fresh smelling pa siya. Pag medyo maasim, ibig sabihin, maasim na rin yung inyong tofu. And what I do here, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Ito siya is canola oil. And I will just dredge my tofu in starch. Kasi if you just fry it directly na walang starch, ang tagal niya mag-crisp up, no? Magiging makunat yung inyong tofu before it crisps up. So ito siya, the starch will coat the tofu and it will absorb all the excess water. Yan, ito siya. Yan, we're done. I will just discard the hot water. Look at that, very nice. Yan. Let the excess liquid drip off. And I will chop my garlic. Dalawang garlic will do. So ito, mas madali siya naging crispy, no? Rather than just frying it directly. Just chop up our garlic. Chop, chop, chop. And I'm making my sauce. So, ano ba yung sauce ko? It's very simple. Ito, inspired by the BTS. Alam mo yung mga sweet chili sauce natin sa ating paboritong BTS meal. Ito lang siya. Gagawa tayo ng ating own version. Sweet chili sauce. Siguro I'm not used. Siguro this around half a cup or so. And regular bottled sweet chili sauce lang yan. And I will add the Korean chili paste or the gochujang. Yan. Mix lang natin. And just for a little bit more balance of flavors, I will add soy sauce, around a tablespoon of soy sauce. Masarap to pang sausawan ng inyong fries, no? And I will just add water, no, to dilute. Yan. So that's my sauce. Very easy. Luto na yung aking tofu. Add my garlic. If you want to add onions, you can add onions. Let the garlic cook a little bit para maging very aromatic siya. I will add my shrimp. Ito. So, broccoli, tofu, shrimp, BTS, ang shrimp. Yan. Very nice garlic aroma. I add my sauce. Let it cook. Yan, ating broccoli. Kasi luto na ating broccoli. We'll just add it last. So, it does not overcook. Habulin na natin yung pagkaluto ng ating shrimp. And we will add our broccoli. Very healthy, di ba? Yan. Toss, toss, toss. Very attractive dish. Ang bango talaga. Ang sarap-sarap nito. Yan. Healthy, hearty, and I'm sure kikiligin kayo sa sarap, di ba? Oh, di ba kayo mapapasayaw sa sarap nito? Ito na yung ating BTS broccoli, tofu, and shrimp. Simple!